not applicable, precast is not applicable. This is we have seen, right?
Chairman, just a minute, Chairman. Okay, sorry. See this, when I understand, you have this fencing, permanent fencing coming next to all the like 5-meter soil, right? How far it is that soil boundary or the elevated, excavated your, sorry, elevated your level and the permanent fence, how far it is?
This 7-meter distance, because there is one access we provide around the fencing area.
I'm saying about your permanent fencing around the plot, right?
Yes.
Okay. And within the plot, your elevation is plus 5 meter or plus 6 meter, right? Which is sand.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the age of that sand level or whatever, because there will be slope, right, all around. I am worried about if you are excavating about 1 meter for the what you call
Foundation.
Foundation. Either next to it you have the high heap of the sand, although it is compacted sand, but still you have sand. So I am just thinking of what you call the sand coming into the elevation point of view. How far it is? It is a couple of meters away, or how it is?
This around 7-8 meters away from the fencing area.
Okay, 7 meters.
Yes.
Okay, that is enough. That is safe distance then. Okay, got it. Okay, no issue.
Okay, thank you. So guys, number next guide word is more or less related to the instrument, but we'll go for that. Freezing protection is not applicable here. Corrosion is not applicable. Climatic control is only for inventory and construction material. Affecting the operating equipment is not applicable. Interface related to electrical INC is not applicable. So this is not applicable. Key electrical alarm is not applicable. Operation requirement is not applicable. Dewatering. Dewatering is there or not there?
No.
No dewatering.